Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's short video, we'll be taking a ride down Louisiana Highway 407, which is also known as Woodland Drive in Lower Algiers, in a neighborhood called Old Aurora. Woodland Drive is a 4-lane undivided road throughout almost the entire length that it follows LA-407. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. At General de Gaulle Drive, we turn left and cross the Woodland Bridge, which crosses the Gulf Intracoastal Waterway. This high-rise bridge was built in 1985 to replace a then 30-year-old vertical lift bridge. The current bridge has a clearance of 100 feet above the canal surface. LA-407 comes to an end at a junction with LA-406 Woodland Highway. This intersection was upgraded to a roundabout in 2009. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.